Zoho CRM tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Zoho tutorial how you can get started with a CRM on Zoho and what are some features that you know about this platform and how you can get started. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have zoho.com/CRM opened for me on my web browser. You can just go onto your Google, you can search for Zoho CRM, and the first thing that comes up, you can just open that website and this will open up. So it is basically super fast work and steadfast growth. It brings the very best out of your customer facing terms with robust automation, comprehensive analytics, personalized solutions, and more. So you need to basically sign up and you can get started with that. It builds excellent customer relationships. It has maximum productivity with minimum use, and it also has a lot of other features that we're going to use and which I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So what you need to do is you have to basically come on to here and you can see its features. It has omni-channel analytics, sales enablement, and predictive sales customization, team collaboration, canvas designs. So there are a lot of features that you can use. Then they have pricing, so we'll take a look at the pricing as well. But before that, you have your solutions by size, by role, by industry. You can have solutions for all of these things. By size, if you have small business, you can choose that. By industry, if you have life sciences, financial services, real estate, retail, etc. And by role, sales representative and sales leader. So you can choose all of these and you can see the solutions for yourself. Then you have your customers, then your resources, and your bulletin. So what are we going to do? First of all, we're going to get started. For that, what you need to do is you have to sign up. You can sign up with Google or LinkedIn as well. I'm just going to go on with the Google and I'm going to sign up really quickly. Okay, so until it's loading and everything, let's take a look at their pricing plans. So the first plan they have is for $14 and you can start the free trial anytime that you want. And it basically automate and optimize your sales cycle. Then you have a professional plan which is for $23 and you can improve customer acquisition and accelerate growth. Then you have a plan for enterprise which is for $40 and you can manage global CX operations with the complete CRM. And you also have an ultimate plan which is for $52 and it gives you a scale exponentially with dedicated BI capabilities. So you can choose, you can come on and choose any of these plans, and as you can see, these are all the features that these plans are going to hold, and you can see these tick marks, and each plan which is not going to have that kind of feature is not going to be ticked in that specific field. So you can come on and you can see all of these features separately and you can see which plan works best for you, and you can just go on and continue with that. So it is, Zoho basically has different platforms. It has Begin, it is for solopreneurs and micro businesses, and it also has a CRM Plus. It also, then the Zoho CRM is advantage is price transparency, faster deployments and everything. So you can just check them out according to your own need. Okay, so CRM welcomes you, Eamon. Okay, so this is after signing up. Now I need to add a company name. I'm going to name it Warehouse for the sake of it. And then you need to add your phone number. So I'm just going to, you can get started now, but the phone number is valid. You have to enter that. I'm just going to quickly add it and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so now where would you like to start? If you want to take a tour, you can just go on, and if you want to show me how to migrate my data, you can just go on to that. So I'm just going to take a tour of Zoho CRM and I don't want to migrate the data. So okay, track all your leads, identify, enter and allot your leads. Then you have your follow up and qualify. Then you have your convert and win, and then you have basically know how you're performing, and I'm going to click on take me in, and then you can migrate data. So sample data population, you can sample data population is in progress. I'm just going to click on take me in. These are basically your open tasks. Register for upcoming CRM webinars, refer to CRM videos, and these are all the things that you can do. Then you have your meetings, you have your demo, you have your webinar, you have a trade show, and then you have webinar again. You can come on and see all your meetings right here. Then you have my open deals, my untouched deals, my calls today, and my leads. You can track everything right here, and this is your main home. This is basically your main dashboard. Here are going to be today's leads and my deals closing this month. You can see all of these right here. Then you have my pipeline deals and stage, and this is going to be right here, and you can see everything from this specific pipeline. This qualification, this is need analysis, value proposition, identify decision makers, proposal and negotiations. You can review all of that from this specific pipeline, and it is very easy to keep an eye on all of your stuff at one place, because managing the business can be a little bit hectic to use, but CRM, Zoho CRM, it makes it looks a lot easier. So here is your calendar, then your notifications, your business, and your settings. You can change the settings if you want to. Your leads, your contacts, your accounts, your deals, your calls, meetings, tasks, and projects. So let's take a look at your projects and let's see if I can add more projects. Okay, so to unified sales and project management, a smarter way to bridge the gap between sales and project tracking. So you have to connect and integrate Zoho projects to create and associate projects in Zoho CRM. Then you have to track and then you have to deliver. So let's get started. Okay, so here you have your projects and you can create a new project from this option. You have your unified sales and project management, a smarter way to bridge the gap between sales and project tracking. Or first of all, you need to connect, then you can also track, and then you can deliver. So I'm just going to click on this option which says get started, and I'm going to get started with creating a new project for myself. Okay, so here you have a sideline, a menu of your setup. You have your general, users and controls, Zoho directory, channels, customization, automation, process management, data administration, marketplace, and developer space. So you can just go on to any of these if you have any query about these kind of things, which I'm just going to click on get started. Here you have to create a portal for yourself. So your portal configuration is email is this. If you want to use another email for this user's portal, you can just go on and continue with another email, but I'm just going to go with this one. And now I need to select a portal for myself. If you have already created a portal, you can just continue with that, or otherwise you have to create a new portal. You can just enter the name and you can continue. I'm just going to continue with this portal I have just created. And now you have your field mapping. Map Zoho projects field with Zoho CRM fields to pre-populate data while creating new project. Projects fields in Zoho projects is equal to accounts and deals fields in Zoho CRM. So you can just go on to from Zoho projects. If you have your Zoho project, if you have any kind of like information in there, you can just integrate the both things, and everything that is in there will come up to here, and you can just continue with the projects that you have added there and in your CRM as well. But I don't have anything now, so I'm just going to click on save. Integration enabled successfully. Okay, so now you can just continue and you'll be able to continue with this portal of yourself that you have just created. So if you click on this bar right now, you have your reports, your analytics, your products, cost, sales, purchase, and everything about that specific portal. So let's see, I want to search something. You can just go on. Now if you go on to your projects, as you can see, the project that I have added is test 1 to 4, and it has been integrated with my Zoho projects. So that's why now it's been opening right now. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you have your projects, you have your all projects. You don't have any project right now, so you can just click on this creation of your new project and you can create a new project for yourself. You have your project title, your owner, template. You can select a template, like if you want to choose anything, no matches found, so you can just go on. You can start date and you can have a project overview right here, and then you have your customized tabs for this project, milestones, timesheets, and private. If this project accesses, you can make it private or public if you want to. Then you have a roll up and everything, so you can basically integrate everything in a really great manner. You can add different projects, you can add different tasks, you can call meetings, you can call someone, all of your team is here. Then you have your deals, you can create new deals, and you can basically go on and check the deals that you have created previously. And you can basically you have your feed, your discuss, and your reports right here. You can see everything from these reports. You can see what's going on and what has been done in the past and how well it's going and everything. So this is a really great platform for you to continue with your CRM needs. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.